Before I start the video, I just want to fill you guys in on what a business profile does for you. So basically, if someone clicks on your account, it will say in your profile what type of business you are. It will also allow you to check stats on your posts and followers. You can promote your posts to gain more customers, and you can create a way to contact your company for your customers.
Woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day.
Once you're on your account page, the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the little settings wheel on the right. And then you're going to want to scroll down to where it says switch to business profile. Here you can learn about the tools that come with a business profile. If you would like to, you can link your account to Facebook. Here you can choose your business category, which will show up on your profile page when people click on your account. Here you must give an email, phone number, or address for your customers to contact you.
I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me. Had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them angels call.
Two features that come with the business profile is the Insights button, which lets you just check insights on your account that I stated earlier, and the Promote button. So you will only be able to promote your account if you have a post.
As heavy falls, heavy falls, heavy falls down on me.
So here when you hit the promotion button, it brings up all of your posts and you can choose which one you want to promote. So to promote a post, you do need Facebook. So if you do not have that, you can either make an account or you don't have to use this feature. I find that the Insights feature is the most helpful. To check your insights for your account as a whole, you would click that little bar graph icon at the top. But if you want to do it individually, post by post, just click on the picture and hit View Insights. So here it shows you different stats like likes, comments, impressions, but if you scroll below, it will show you what the words mean for your business. So this goes for all of our videos, but make sure your Instagram is updated because some of these features might not look the same. For instance, the insights on the updated version is found under the 3 bars at the top right. Okay, so under the insights for your account as a whole, it has an activity section which just shows you all of the interactions and the people that found you on the Discover page. Then it has a content section which shows all of your posts and how they're doing as long as stories. So the audience section is pretty cool because it gets you to know your followers a little better, because it shows you where most of your business is coming from, what ages, and the gender. It also shows you what days your followers are most active. I just wanted to show you guys what the individual insights look like on the updated version. It's not too much different, but I do like how it shows you how your followers found your post, either by the Discover page, by hashtags, etc., so you know what to improve on.
Heavy down on me.